Hello in another video. Today it will be a short one, but very important one to speed up our JavaScript workflow. Let's hop into the VS Code and see what Nodemon can do for us. Alright, so we are in VS Code and we are checking out our Express.js app, which we built in a few last videos. I will link some of them down below. But just to go very briefly about that, we are instantiating Express.js app. We have a rate limiter, which is a third-party middleware, and we are having some middlewares and a basic app.get route and with slash. So when we were doing any changes, we were usually launching the app like this, like Node app.js, and then let's say in the other console we were doing curl localhost 8000 to catch some stuff, and yeah, we are hitting our rate limiter. But whenever we change something like, oh, let's just change the rate limit stuff, we needed to go back, we needed to kill the current node process and restart it again. There is a very simple tool on NPM called Nodemon. Let's go to Google and let's find the Nodemon. So NPM Nodemon. As you can see, very popular, almost 6 million weekly downloads. And what it does, it's doing a auto restart whenever it sees some changes. So let's do installation of that globally. So let's do a E but minus G flag for it to be installed across the whole system. I already have it installed, but let's go from the beginning to the end through all the process, and we have a Nodemon installed. It's a very lightweight package, but yet so powerful to our daily workflow. And right now, let's not use Node, but let's use Nodemon app.js. As you can see, it is watching paths and watching extensions and started Node app.js. So in this moment, everything is as usual, but let's do change in a rate limiter. We want to, let's say, do only 3 requests. Let's change it and let's save it. You can see restarting due to changes. And now we can hit our payload, and after 3 checkings, after 3 curl requests, we have exceeded the limit. And we can do it a lot of times. We can change it back, another restart. We can do some change to the user. Let's say, let's bump up the age to 40. Everything is being checked, and we can do it one more time, hitting the middleware as usual, hitting the path, and we can do it, as you can see, very easily. So this is a very brief video, and it's a very lightweight package, but it's speeding up our workflow fast, especially in the Express.js app. If we would instantiate, let's say, a React application or an Next.js application for frontend or Nest.js application for backend, which we'll be doing in the future, those tools are already built in, and you can start, let's say, a dev environment or -- watch or whatever, and then those tools are being built in. But it's not something, it's a part of a Express app right out of the box. So we are using this Nodemon to have it done this way as a workaround. But as you can see here, it will speed up our workflow very much. So that's all for today. See you next time.